traders, I'm looking at the dollar yen on the daily time frame, so we can see this is currently trending quite nicely. It's in a strong bullish trend. We have taken out liquidity above this range here. Okay, so it's broken through and now looking to target this high over here. If it continues beyond this level, so if we get a breakout, a break above this high, retest and fail, just mark up these highs here. That would be my next target level. Yeah, you could include this range here as well, and I'm referring to this candle wick. All right, so we've got a couple of potential targets if this is to continue trending bullish. If we go down to the 4-hour time frame, okay, what we have here is a really nice trend. Higher highs, higher lows. It's trending really well, and I'm looking at the current range, this range in here. So if we mark that up, just pick up the candle highs, pull it through down to the low here, candle low. Okay, so this is our current trading range here. This is trending. We've had the pullback. We're getting the Fibonacci pullback. See how we pulled into the 50% of the fib. So we got this low to high. Okay, retraced down into 50% right here, between the 50 and 618. I mean, that would have been an ideal entry point. My next plan of action with this would be, or plan of attack would be, if we see a break above this range as high, pull back and retest. That could give us an opportunity to go long. Breakout, retrace and fail. And the thing that I'd be looking for would be, in fact, if we go down to a 30-minute chart, let's just mark this up a little bit differently. All right, so let's just say 30 minutes. If it continues on, I'm looking for the break of this high and possibly the second. That's getting a little bit long in the tooth. Any less than that, and I think that the risk has increased, because we don't know if this is going to actually hold here and roll over at this point, even though we can see that the dollar is much stronger currency than the yen at the moment. So I mean, look, that's one plan of attack. You could, if you wanted to, consider this. It's a higher risk, but again, just looking at this particular trend here, right, it's now trending up on the 30M. All right, we could possibly look at getting a bit involved here with this price action. So low to high retrace, low to high pullback. Okay, so it's more or less pulling back into a potential buy zone. Okay, that could be a play. Higher risk, understand that, but even if let's get in around here. There's a trade idea, 2.68R. That's on the lower time frame if you want to scalp/day trade, something like that. Right, if you're a little bit concerned or conservative, then I would, you can even set up this target either way. So you could set up the target with a tight stop and go for 5R, or set up the target with a wider stop and go for 2.6R. There's your target, something like that. Now, if this gains traction, like if this was an entry point and we gain traction with this, I'm inclined to look to pull my stop loss to better than break even reasonably quickly. So if we just mark that up, SL, yeah, you'd want to gain, let's just grab this tool here. This is my risk reward tool. Say we gain 1.5 or 1R, 1.5R. Right, so if that's the case, if this does trade in our favor, let's just say we get that, I'm inclined to pull my stop loss to break even at around, between 1 and 1.5R, up in around here somewhere. Okay, so that's an idea for the dollar yen at the moment. And understand the risk, guys. Trade carefully, be conservative, and that could be a play on the lower time frame, perhaps. Alrighty, I think that more or less sums it up. And if you have any comments, definitely leave a comment. With that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.